Hey guys, uh, I wanted to take a minute and go over one of our assignments, Principles of Government in the Texas Constitution. Now, this assignment presents you with excerpts from the Texas Constitution. A constitution is a document that says how the government works and what rights we have as citizens. We're going to look at these excerpts, and your job is to read the excerpt and, using your understanding of the seven principles of government, identify what principle each excerpt represents. So, for example, I'd like to take a look at the first one. The first one says Article 1, Section 19. And the quote is, "No citizen of this state shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property, or in any manner disenfranchised except by the due course of the law of the land." Now, this is an example of one of the seven principles of government. No citizen shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property. You know, the right to life, liberty, and property seems like the rights of individuals. So this may be about individual rights. You know, in that previous video where I discussed the seven principles of government, I mentioned that the government could take away our rights, but only through a legal process. So our rights could be taken away if we break the law. For example, we might be put in jail if we murder someone, then we would lose our right to freedom. That makes sense. I think this is about individual rights. So I'm going to write, this is an example of individual rights. Now, looking at the document, I'm being asked to justify why I think it's individual rights. So let's do that. This excerpt, Article 1, Section 19, says that no citizen of this state shall be deprived of life, liberty, property, or in any manner disenfranchised except by the course of due law of the land. This means that individuals have rights and the government should not be allowed to take them away except under very special circumstances. Because this section says we have rights to life, liberty, and property, it is your job for the remaining assignment to go over the individual examples taken from the Texas Constitution and decide which one of the seven principles they represent. Break them down just like I did. Decide what the principle is and justify your answer. Why? Good luck, guys. I look forward to reading your responses.